This is how to make yourself a marker on the Google My Map. So you go to Add Marker, you click to where you want to go. So if you're at Southbury Secondary School, that is Maple Ridge, then that is what you just put it beside it or near it, on top of it, whatever. And then it's going to give you an opportunity to edit. So if you're here, you can put Kevin. You don't have to put last name. Is here, and then you can put in here what you can do anything in here. So hello, Mrs. Bidwell. Hello, Biddy. Nice to meet you. And then make sure you hit save so that I will see it over in the corner over here. If you want to change the color, you can change the color like that. You don't have to be blue like me. I'm going to change it too. I'm going to be brown. Looks good. All right. So make sure that if you get this prompt after you actually search for your school up in the search bar, this is where you go. You hit edit, and then you can leave this stuff. You can remove it, and put a little hello in there for me. All right. I'm going to save that. All right. That's all you have to do when you're doing your Google My Maps.